Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Total Wireless, which is now called Total by Verizon, is in 2026, including its plans, features, and whether it is actually worth it. Now, this is a budget-friendly carrier that runs on Verizon's network, but there are some important differences that you should know. So let's break it down in today's video. So Total by Verizon is a prepaid wireless carrier which is owned by Verizon. It used to be called Total Wireless, but it has been rebranded. It works as an MVNO, which means it uses Verizon's 4G and 5G network instead of building its own. If we talk about the pricing, the plans are designed to be very simple and affordable. You can just simply scroll down here on this page and then you can select the number of lines. So this particular pricing is for only one line. So their pricing starts with as low as $40 per month for the basic plan. Then we have the total 5G plus unlimited plan, which is going to cost to $60 per month per line. Then we have total 5G unlimited, which is going to cost to $50 per month per line. There are also cheaper limited data plans that starts with around $25 to $35 per month. Now, since it runs on the Verizon's network, you are going to get strong nationwide coverage and access to the 5G network in most of the areas. However, during the busy times, your speed may be slower as compared to the Verizon's premium customers because of lower priority. Now, most of the plans include unlimited talk time, unlimited data, and unlimited text support. Mobile hotspot 5 GB to unlimited depending on the plan. The international calling and the texting in many plans is available. Roaming in Mexico and Canada on the higher tiers is also available. Now, one of the standout features of it is the price lock guarantee, meaning your plan price can stay the same for the years. It also offers family plans where multiple lines reduce the cost per user. The speeds can slow down during the congestion. Customer support is more limited as compared to the major carriers. Some of the plans are limited into the video streaming quality. So while it is cheaper, you do give up some premium features. So Total by Verizon is worth if you want affordable unlimited plans on Verizon's network without any contracts. But if you want the fastest speeds, better support and premium perks, going directly with Verizon or another major carrier may be a better choice. So if this video helped you understand Total Wireless better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.